What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be studying how to test current using a multimeter. And in order to test current, you need a measuring instrument called ammeter. But the multimeter has that ammeter function embedded into it, so it can also perform that function. But the ammeter only tests for current. So in order to do this, you need to set your multimeter in the right position to avoid damaging it. So as you can see, this is my multimeter. This is the section for current. From this section to this section is for current. So this is for testing DC current and this is for testing AC current. So before you test the current, you should make sure you know whether it's AC or DC. And you should have a rough idea about the current you are testing. If the current is higher than the multimeter value, please do not test it to prevent it from damaging your multimeter or damaging any electrical tools or anything you are using to perform that operation. So please be aware and be safe. So as you can see, I'm about to test for DC current. So my multimeter is set to the 20 amp section. And this section here is used to perform a test with the multimeter. So if I'm testing for voltage, then I need the common pin and this pin. So you can see here is written voltage and ohms. And if I need to check for current, then I need these two sections. That's the 20 amps and the milliamp section. So the current we are about to check, I'll have to set my probes to the 20 amp section because I don't know the current rating. So let's proceed. So in order to test the current, you need to connect the multimeter in series with the load. So this is our load. So we need to connect the multimeter in series with the load. So as you can see, we will have to connect the negative pin direct to the load. So this is my supply. So I'll connect the negative pin direct to my load. So here is it. Then the positive pin will go to the positive section of the multimeter. So it works just like how a diode works. So this is it. So now my positive will be at this pin, at this common pin. So let's proceed. So as you can see, the current is 0.1415. Is an approximation. So this is how to test current using a multimeter. So please, if you are not sure about the current, please don't try, because you might end up damaging the multimeter or hurting yourself. And please always keep the multimeter in the right position, as you can see. So this is my current right here. So 0.1415. So please, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos on my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.